All right, number 13, we want to explain how to identify a system with no solution when using substitution. So what we've noticed before is that when we solve, x and y get eliminated and we end up with something that is false. Okay, so we want to find out which answer choice says that. So solve one of the equations for one of the variables if neither has already been isolated. Substitute the variable in with the other. If one side of the equation is 0, then it has no solution. Not exactly. Okay, so solve if it's not already, substitute. If the new equation involving one variable is a contradiction, so that means false, the system has no solution. That would be the best choice. This one says solve, substitute. If the results of the equation is always true, then it's no solution, so no. If it was true, like the previous problem, it would be infinite solutions. All right, and then D, solve, substitute. If all the variables are canceled, the system has no solution. Okay, so not exactly, because the variables will get canceled, but there's two scenarios after that. So it's either true after they get canceled or false. So they all kind of have a part of what you need, but this is the only one that has the correct ending. So B is how we would explain no solution to a system. 14, we're going to solve by substitution. Actually, I want to do it by elimination. It's already pretty close to being set up. If I just multiply this top equation by a -2, that will give me a +2 here, opposite of that. So I'm going to solve it the easiest way, which is going to be elimination. So I'm going to say -2 times the top equation. 5x minus y equals 3. It's going to give me a -10x positive 2y, negative times a negative, and then equals a -6. Don't forget to multiply the last one. And bring the other equation right below it. 5x minus 2y equals 11. This will give me a -5x. These will get eliminated. Equals a +5. Divide by -5. And we get x equals -1. Now I'm going to plug x equals -1 into the first equation. 5 times -1 minus y equals 3. -5 minus y equals 3 plus 5 gets eliminated. -y equals 8. Divide by -1 because the variable has to be positive. And that gives us y equals -8. So we get the order pair -1, -8.